Hello guys, this is Spicy Bill, and today I'm showcasing a very simple modification you can do with your to your Hot Toys Avengers Infinity War Black Widow figure. I complain about this figure a lot in my review on this figure. I even got to the point where I tried to sell these figures to three of my friends. I was trying to push this figure really hard on these guys. I was like, hey, come on, it's a very good figure. I'll throw in a whole bunch of bonus accessories to make the deal better. But unfortunately, none of them wanted. So in the end, I ended up having to keep this figure. So I was like, oh man, I don't want have a crappy figure in my collection, especially something that's close to like $300. So today, I was like, you know what, if I ruin the figure, I ruined it. So I just go ahead and just apply a whole bunch of hair gel onto the hair. And it turned out looking pretty good. So I was actually very thorough with the hair gel. And I'll put the link, I'll put the name of the hair gel in the video description. It's a brand by L'Oreal Paris, obviously. It's actually a woman's hair gel. I borrowed it from my wife. And yeah, I was like, you know what, it's a female figure, so let's go ahead and put some, woman's hair product on this. It should work, right? The first time I did it, I used my own personal hair product. I don't use hair gel. I use hair cream. I use pomade on my hair, and it wasn't holding out very well. But actually today, so I actually put some hair gel on here, and it ended up looking very good. So yeah. It's just a very simple modification. Anybody can do this. It takes like less than 15 minutes to get it to get it to looking like this. So yeah, you know what? I don't know. Like I actually end up buying a completely, I actually bought a third-party head sculpt to replace this head sculpt. That was a mistake. All I really had to do it was just just not be afraid of the rooted hair and just go ahead and apply some hair gel to it. And yeah, I'm actually quite surprised. So anyway, that's it. This is a very, very simple modification. Makes the figure look like almost 100 times better. At least that's my personal opinion. It looks a lot better. I'm actually happy to display this on the shelf now. Now that the hair looks, less ridiculous. Yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think about this. And yeah, thanks for watching.